Hey, welcome to Paddle and Hike. Today we're a bit closer to home. We're in Tremblant National Park and we're gonna hike Rats waterfalls. The temperature dropped a lot here. It's around 8-9 degrees Celsius. It even snowed in some areas. So I wanted to do something different, so I decided to do this waterfalls. It's a national park, so there's an entry fee, which you can pay online. You can also pay at the gate, or simply scan the code near the gate and just pay with your phone. So it's pretty simple. The price changes, so I'm not gonna give you the price, but you can check. I'll put the link in the descriptions. Also, I'll put the location. I'll put all the information in the description if you want to know more. You will find many camping sites along the way. Also, there's so many trails that starts from the same point, so there's a lot of possibilities. You can do multiple hikes in the same day. Pretty much hike only mountains recently, so this trails make it different, so it's pretty cool to go see a bit of lakes, rivers, and waterfalls. I took a shortcut. I'm gonna go check out the Blue Jays Point. It's around 200-meter off trail, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Yes, it will. Really nice view. This is pretty. So you can come to this point here near the water and have a nice picnic if you want. Oh wow, so worth it. Take the detour. It's only 200 meters, it's like 2 minutes. And look at this. Wow. And there's even a picnic table over there near the water. This is really nice. So you lay down here, watch the stars, and you have this view included. So I'm gonna go back to the Adirondack high peaks really soon. I have long hikes that I want to do, but at the moment there's still some snow over there. It's very muddy, and to protect the trails I prefer not to hike over 3,000 to 4,000 feet. That way you can help to protect the trails and don't make them too like destroyed technically. You know, below 3,000 feet is not as bad. That's why I do a lot of fire towers, because you get to be higher but you can actually stay lower. You understand what I mean, right? This shows you everything you could do on this trail, so it's pretty clear. The last stretch of the trail is more fun. You know, you're following the river, so it's pretty cool. If you enjoy videos like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you. So when you'll see the falls, you'll go, wow, really nice falls. But this is the small one. There's a big one. You just need to keep on going. Well, I enjoy this one, but keep on going because there's a lot more point of views and you can climb up the falls, and this one is big. So keep going on the trail until you reach the big one. Well, this is my favorite fall of Tremblant National Park. Really nice one. So I hope you enjoyed that video. See you soon.